I always knew it was gonna be hard, but damn, I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. They said, Bobby, you can't hack it. You can't be some Eminem wannabe white boy rapper. Who the hell you think you are?
Shit, I'm Bobby B. Smoother than silk and fresher than thee. Shit. Nah, you can't see me. Ain't nobody see me coming. The champ has arrived, king on his throne, jester by his side. He peers out upon the crowd, the faces, the sounds, but the cheers die down.
Yeah.
Going off script for this
You
one.
don't see me.
The real Bobby B's here to stay, representing LA
Nobody see me.
in the California. That's right, it's me, the realest Bobby B, and you know me as #1 MC. I keep it sucker free as I take your money and I take your ladies, but these inequalities got me feeling the need, yeah, the need for change. I don't apologize, I go hard like Che, and I'll infiltrate like Stalwart. And yes, you know I am a baller. Catch 'em off their guard, run 'em up the yard, take they 50 large, empty their garage. Yes, you know who is in charge. My name is Bobby
Hey!
B, or I'll leave you with scars.
Excuse me? Ugh, what the fuck? You again? What did I tell you about singing on my roof?
Yeah, right. I'm really sorry. I wasn't, I didn't think anybody else would be here.
You didn't think anyone would be here? It's a house in the middle of Los Angeles. Dude, what in the hell is wrong with you?
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'll go. I'm sorry for the disturbance and all.
You're lucky I don't call the police. And if I catch your ass up here again, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Cool, yeah, I know. That's, I won't be back.
Find another roof. Hey. You want this?
Thanks.
You might think of finding something else to do. You know, the rapping. How's that going for you anyways?
What do you do, huh? For a living, I mean.
I'm in real estate. I flip houses. You're standing on one of them right now.
Well, does anybody ever say to you, oh, hey, you're in real estate. Good luck with that. Hope it works out for you.
Yeah, all the time.
All right, but doesn't it ever bother you that people think you need luck to do what you do? Like, oh yeah, that's a really dumb thing that you're pursuing, but you know, God knows none of us are going for it, so, like, talking to you like you already failed?
No, I guess no one's ever said it like that before.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Look, I'm sorry about the disturbance and all. I won't come back.
Hey, dude. You fucking suck, man. But you know what? I don't even listen to rap. Operas. I'm real big into operas, so you know what the hell do I know?
Yeah.
Hey, Samantha, are you close? Yeah, no. You want to come get a sneak peek before the big open? Oh, it's gonna sell fast. Yeah. No, for sure. Yeah, no. Oh my gosh, you will never believe it. Yeah, he showed up again. No, he shouldn't be bothering you. Oh my God, LA.
I get high and start my rhymes without a blooper. I lay the wax in one take, they in the booth like super. I'm King Cooper, and my Goomba do the Roomba, while the brothers who are plumbers earn a name like Super. And I got a sense of humor like Conan, and my name is hard to say, Saoirse Ronan.